there's a dragon. Very scary. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. If you're coming back, welcome back. We're gonna make a new playlist, which is starting now. This is our first upload called Things to Do in Southern Illinois. First stop is
Castle Park.
Castle Park, guys. Welcome to Castle Park. Let's see what this place has to offer. Let's go do some exploring. What do you think, brother? What do you think, sis?
Good.
Good. Let's go. Let's go see what is inside Castle Park, guys. Let's go. We have made it into the guts of the castle, guys. There's nooks and crannies and ups and downs. We can go everywhere and explore. So let's take you on a ride. Luna, where are we going? Lead the way. Whoa, secret passages. Whoa, we've made it up tall. This looks like it goes back down. You want to come over here and go across? Go that way, guys.
Let's go this way.
Luna, you lead. Look, follow sis. Whoa! Oh! Whoa! We're gonna get lost. I'll follow you, sis. Here we go! Guys, make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more local Southern Illinois content. This is our new playlist of things to do in Southern Illinois. You're not gonna wanna miss Castle Park. I might get stuck here and be here the next time you're here. Oh my goodness. What's back that way, Luna? I can't fit in there. Is it a dead end? You can go somewhere? I'm gonna try. I'm stuck. Go that way. Whoa, there's dragons. I don't think we went through this way. You think? Is it the way we came in?
Yeah.
Whoa, it's candy. Let's explore. Let's see where we can find mom and brother. You going that way? All right, I'm following you.
Oh, hopeless.
I'll follow you.
This is hopeless.
Keep going. I wonder where mom and brother are.
Oh, I think we went in that way.
You're right.
The other way we came in.
All right, let's go this way, see if we can find them. That's tight, brother. What's up, dude? What are you doing? River. I won't make it. I can't go through there. Brother's in here. I can't go that way. He's too little. Follow him. Go in this way. He's went all the way that way. Yep, I got it. Go find brother. Watch your head.
Okay, watch your head.
I don't know where he went. You found him? It's like a thing over there. Huh. Wow, I got lost. The Castle Park maze. We going that way? Watch your head, sis. Hey, brother. Sister went that way. Woo! Come that way? Whoa, there's like a dragon in there. Let's go check it out. Whoa, it's a ghoul goblin. Whoa. Very scary. Oh, he's fake. Just a little closer to him. Whoa, the light turned off. You're right, we can see everything from up here. Wow, the murals. There's the bridge. We've located the bridge. We located it. Yep, you don't want them to fall. Here, I think we go up and down and around. Yep, here's some stairs. I bet we go down these and can get to the bridge area, I bet.
You see the bridge?
Oh, look at this guy's face. Whoa.
You would not follow me. We'll never follow you.
We'll follow you guys, gang. Whoa, we got the dragon art.
Which way?
I think the bridge is this way to the right.
Then if you go that way, and then I'll set brother up. He can follow.
Oh, I think that's the bridge, Luna. We made it. Hey, brother, it's a bridge. Look, the bridge. Whoa, that is dangerous. This is a crazy exploration trip. Keep going, brother. Keep going. You found a ladder? Oh, brother, look behind you. Sister's behind you. Look, sister went that way. Sister's up there. Whoa! Should we keep going all the way across? Keep going all the way. Or we're going down? Oh, that's cool. A little bit scary. Whoa. We can see what's this way. He's found the stairway. Whoa, look at the dragon at the top of the peak. Whoa, check that entrance out. That's huge. It's got a bell in it. Are we able to ring the bell? Probably not. Whoa. Look at the bell. Let's go try to find them. Let's go sneak up on them. Let's cut through the maze. Oh. We made it. It's our own castle tower. We're the kings. We're inside the castle tunnel. Let's stick this outside one of the windows and see what we can see. Huh? You want to? It's like an arrow. It's like we're shooting arrows. All right, let's go see if we can find mom and brother, and we can go find where the bathroom is. You want to? All right, we got to make our way down. Let's let these guys come up first. There they are over there. We're gonna go use the restroom. They're gonna come with us. Let's go this way. Go down. Look at this dude. Not seen him yet. Whoa, I'm seeing him. He's scary looking. Oof. Let's go this way. Can't get me. Can't get me. Oh, they're fast. I don't know where they went. Whoa, Luna, you think we can jump off of this?
Can I do it?
That's a long fall. Just one hand. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Good jump. They're trying to beat us to it. It's a race. You wanna go hide from sister on the dragon? Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go to the dragon. Let's go hide. Check out the dragon. You want me to help you climb? I don't know if they want hugs from a stranger. Sorry, girls. Yeah, we don't know them. Look, we're inside the dragon's tail. You're good. We're inside the dragon's tail. Sister's coming. Let's hide. Sister's coming. Hey, River. Sister's coming. Let's see if she finds us. Sister's coming. Shh. She's coming. Down low. Get low. Get low. I don't know if she sees us yet. Oh, you found us! We found the dragon.
You're very high.
You going high? Come down? Bet you if you slide. Woo! Nice one.
Climbing down there.
Yeah, climbing down that way. Sliding down it. Nice. This is a private park, guys, and they do accept donations here at the park. They've got this huge metal safe that you can drop your donation in, or check them out online to keep this place running and up to date, nice and clean. Public park, baby. All right, we've got a small donation. We came in with a quarter. We're gonna put it in here. So look, you put your quarter in, and then you close it, and it should fall. Oh, I heard it drop down. And look, let's open this head up. Check this out. It's a safe with a combination. So if you know the combination, you can come get the money out.
So we come get the money out?
We don't know the combination. The owners do, and the money goes towards fixing the park up. It helps keeps the power on.
Is your quarter gone?
Don't worry, guys, while you're here, this place has an on-site bathroom just located over yonder. It's nice. They do lock this down when it rains, storms, probably during the winter time. It is November and they're still open, but check their Facebook page, Castle Park on Facebook, because they do close down sometimes, especially due to bad weather. They've got gates around the place and they'll lock it up.
Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours, I never slept. Two silhouettes on the corner.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. That way you can stay up to date on things to do in Southern Illinois. This is gonna be the playlist to watch if you're a local or looking to travel here. Check out this video here for more things to do in Southern Illinois, and we will
Subscribe to our channel.
subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.